Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is Wednesday, so that means Hack Day Wednesday, and I present you with Ying's Hack of the Week. So, with that being said, today is Wednesday, May 25th, and I wanted to give you a little tidbit of just something that I do personally, and it works fabulous on mine. I have a 24 by 36 cutting mat, 5 layers. It's universal. It's blue on one side, pink on the other. And depending on what I'm cutting, if it's fabric, I do pink. And if it's batting, I do the blue side. But today I'm just going to show you my little hack that works great for me. It's really simple. It's a microfiber cloth. That's all it is. It picks up all the little tidbits that's in my mat from everything. So what I do is I just dampen it, and I make sure I do that the night before, like, so it can just sit, and I just put it on my hand like this, really simple, and then hold it like this, really easy. And I just go in a circular motion, because wherever I've cut, I'm sure there's little tidbits in there. So as I'm closing down and finishing up at the end of the night, all I do is run this down anywhere on the mat, and it takes away all the little tidbits that I have in there. So you just make sure that you're going in a circular motion, and that's going to rub out anything that's in there. So just keep going. You got a big mat here, and this works on any mat that I've found so far. And it just, any dust that you might have, anything going on in your sewing space, whether it's a big large sewing room or whatever, just if you see a little something, just rub it a little bit, and that's how much I've gotten off. And I think that's quite a bit, to be honest. And that's just little tidbits of what I've picked up out of mine. The microfiber picks it up, and then all you do is just give it that final brush over, just to make sure there's nothing lingering. You're not hurting your cutting mat, you're caring for your cutting mat. So, like I said, this is just something really simple that I do at the end of the night, and catch up all of the little tidbits that I've lost during the week. So, hope you enjoy this little hack. It's quite simple. It's just microfiber cloth. You can get these at Walmart or anywhere, really. And just a little bit of water. Then all you do is you wring it really, really dry. So it's really dry, but the water just helps pick up. And just give your cutting mat a little once over, and you're good to go for the next job that you're doing. So you guys have a great week, and I'll see you back in our next video. If you're not subscribed, please do. It means everything to us. Hit that like button if you like the content that we're sharing, and ring that bell for notifications for each and every time that we do go live. Bye.